Hey, it's Jim. If you're exploring options to get your home sold, you probably already got a bunch of calls, been made some promises, and maybe even got some offers. Many of them way too good to be true. But here's the reality. Most of these offers come from investors who never even see your house. They've never even walked through the door. How can it be a serious offer? They don't plan to buy it. They're just trying to lock it up cheap and flip the contract. And most agents just want to list your house because that's the only thing they know how to do. It's not good enough. I want to help you walk away with more money and help you sell your home for top dollar. So after 24 years and over 1,200 homes sold, I created something different. It's called the Top Dollar Blueprint. It's a step-by-step system that attracts every type of serious buyer, creates real leverage, and guarantees you can walk away with more money, bottom line, than any other way. And we can do that whether the buyer ends up being an investor, an iBuyer, or even a traditional consumer. Because it's not about who buys your home, it's about the strategy we use to position it. And here's how we do it. We have 5 proven buyer channels that create real competition and drive your price up. First, the vetted cash buyers. I work with 19 serious investors here in the greater Charlotte area, and I'm not talking about guys operating out of the trunk of their cars. I'm talking about real deal professional cash investors that are buying and selling houses every single day. I've been working with them for years. Next, the institutional iBuyers. We work with 8 of the top in the country. And if you're not sure what an iBuyer is, those are companies like Offerpad, Opendoor, Knock, there's many, many others. Next, my private buyer database. I currently have 67 qualified, motivated buyers ready to go that I already know. They're through the process. They're just waiting for the right house. I'd love to get your house exposed to them. Next, the Mortgage Advisor Network. 23 of the best lenders in the greater Charlotte area with pre-approved buyers waiting in the wings. Think about this. These buyers might be playing the waiting game with interest rates. Maybe they think rates are going to go down, so they're just waiting for the right house. Or since we have a giant shortage of houses here in the Charlotte area, they may have not even found the best house yet. Their agent hasn't found it. They've searched Zillow, they've searched the MLS, and it's just not out there. So many people are buying houses off market right now. And think about how many of these buyers are pre-qualified through the paperwork, ready to go, sitting on the sidelines. We can get your house exposed to them without even hitting the market. Next, our national broadcast syndication. Your home reaches millions of people across hundreds of websites all throughout the country. We use that when needed, and it's a terrific tool that we can use in our arsenal. Bottom line, this is where all the buyers are. And when you systematically reach every one of them, you create competition. And competition equals leverage. And leverage is more money in your pocket. Think about it like this. I bring you multiple offers on your house. You have those buyers compete each other, just like an auction. I negotiate on your behalf, and you get top dollar. Oh, and just so you know, I don't care what kind of shape your house is in. You don't need to clean the bathrooms or pick up the laundry before I show up for a quick visit. I've seen it all. The goal isn't to impress me. It's to get you a real offer that actually makes sense. So if you want to walk away with top dollar, skip the games, skip the showings, skip the headaches. Let's set up a quick visit. So there's no pressure, there's no sales pitch, just a smarter way to sell your home for more money in your pocket. I'm Jim. Thanks for watching, and may God bless. I'm excited and ready to get your home sold for top dollar.